Good afternoon, folks. It's Lisa and
Danny.
today we're back with another video. So today we're going to be doing the taste test challenge, right?
Yes.
So Daniel is going to be tasting various snacks with a blindfold on.
Yes.
And once he gets all correctly,
Yes.
he will be receiving a very special present that I have for him at the end. So let's hope that Daniel gets all correctly. Okay?
Yes.
So Daniel, let's stand up. Let me get your blindfold on.
Okay.
Daniel, this one is too big for your face, man. Go for the other one. Go for the other one in the bed. This one you want, the blue one that man was using all the time. Folks, I'm actually going to be making him think that he's eating a burger, right? So let's get into it. This one? Let me see this one. Okay, let's just use this one then. Let's see this one. You can see anything?
No, it's pitch black.
Okay. So we're ready. What am I doing?
What?
You can see what my hand is doing?
No, I can't see anything.
Okay. So let's get started. This is the first snack.
Cereal.
Cereal?
Yes.
Okay, that's one. He has that one correct. Let's go. This is the second snack.
Pringles.
Pringles is correct, yes. Okay. Third snack. Crunchy and satisfying. What snack is that?
Spicy breakfast.
Okay, don't worry. I have some apple juice here for him to cool down the heat. Swallow quickly. Okay.
Tornadoes.
He got that one correct also. Oh boy, seems like he's getting all correct. What is that?
This is some ketchup. Ketchup bud.
No.
This
No, it's called guava cheese. For those of you who know guava cheese, yes. Guava cheese.
Guava cheese?
Yeah. If you don't want any more, you can put the rest on here. Okay. So now, and our final snack, let's see if you can guess it. Wait right there. I have two of it remaining, okay?
some ketchup on.
What you saying it is?
Ketchup on. This biscuit. Ketchup on biscuit.
No. No, it's not ketchup and biscuit. I have another one. You want to do it over so you could guess and see if you could get it right?
Okay.
Or maybe you eat it without the blindfold also. Right?
It's very
Let
salty.
the people see. People try and help him to guess. It's very salty and crunchy and satisfying. He's gonna be wanting more of this one. You wanna try again and see if you could get it right?
Yes.
Okay. Ah.
What is it? Ew!
You ate the first one.
What?
You ate the first one. You said you said it's very salty and ketchupy. And you liked it. Come on. Come on. Come on, tell the people what it is. You got it? Come down here.
Why?
Yeah.
Get that thing away from me.
Bye for now, folks. That's all we have for today.